Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. I'm going to be trying out something new. At least this is new for me. It is by no means original. I know other photography teachers on YouTube have done things very similar to this. But what I'm doing, I'm calling Process My Photo. And what I'd like you to do is to download this raw file. This is a totally unprocessed raw file, no processing done to it at all. And what I'd like you to do is after you download it, process it as you see fit. Do whatever you need to do to make it something that you're proud of. Use any application you want. You do not have to use Lightroom, even though I have it open in Lightroom here. Use any application or applications you'd like to use to process this image. There's no rules on the processing. Do anything you like that makes it something that you're proud of. Then I'd like you to send the image back to me. And then I'll do a follow-up video and we'll go over everyone's versions of this image. And I thought it would be interesting to just see how different people go about processing this image. And maybe we could learn something from each other. Now, today is Sunday, April 7th. In the description below this video, I'll have a link to this image. Download it and process it. Export it as a JPEG file and send that JPEG file back to me before before Sunday, April 14th. So get it to me by Saturday, April 13th, no later than that. That way, a week from today, I'll do that follow-up video. We'll go over everyone's image. And depending on how popular this might be, I'll have another image available for download. And we'll just carry this on to see how long this might remain something that's popular. Now, when you do convert it to JPEG and send it to me, I would like it in a very specific form. And again, you don't have to use Lightroom to process the image, but I am going to show you the export dialog in Lightroom just to give you an idea of how I'd like that JPEG formatted. First of all, I'd like the name of the JPEG to be your name. That way I don't mix them up. So make sure the file name is whatever your name is, .jpeg. Also, you could have the JPEG quality between 80 and 100. That should be fine. But the important thing is the long edge. I'd like you to limit it or make the long edge 2,000 pixels long. That way it'll be large enough for us to view it in our video, but it won't be so large that it's going to be clogging up my mail. So 2,000 pixels on the long edge is important, and the file name is your name, and that's important. And then again, in the description below this video, I'll have an email address I'd like you to send the images or image to. The email address is process@onlinephotographytraining.com. So again, I'll have that in the description below this video. And get it to me no later than Saturday, April 13th, 2019. And then on Sunday, April 14th, 2019, I'll do a follow-up video and we'll look at everyone's images. And I'll have another image for us to process for the following week. So let's do this. Let's see really how everyone else interprets this scene. Now this is, again, totally unprocessed, and I will process this and I'll share with you my version of processing, what I came up with, and we'll see what, whether or not you like that or not. So that's it. Let me know in the comments if you think that this is something interesting or if you'd like to put a little twist or spin on this. Again, I just want to reiterate, everything will be listed in the description below this video, so if you didn't catch something I said, just look in the description below this video and everything will be written there.